Hi guys, today I'm making the catch the fruit game. Watch me guys. Come here. First, make the stage backdrop. Go to backdrop. This is the dark backdrop. Let me use it to be. So we got the normal backdrop and we color it to be black. Oops. And you need to make the you win backdrop, game over, try again, and game over, not bad. So let's go to the scripts. First, there's a new sprite. You will find the apple, the ball. There's 2 balls you need. Oops. Wait. It's not respond. Oh. And you're gonna find the fruit platter. You need all of them. This is my fruit platter, bowl 2, bowl 1, and apple. You will ask me, where is the bowl 2? Did you hide it? No, the bowl 2 is small. It's gonna be small. We make it small with the shrink tool. And this is the fruit platter, and the apples was gone. Oh, no, I know. He was hiding over there. And now let's go to scripts. The stage needs scripts. When the green flag click forever, if points, if 30, then switch backdrop to winner backdrop. When the green flag click forever, if key space press, switch backdrop to winner 2. I mean, this is the game over backdrop. So this is not a winner backdrop again. Game over. The game over backdrop. You will ask me why we have to press the key space for the game over, because I think we have to control it by ourselves. Like you can do on 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can play whatever minutes you want, and you can stop it by yourself. It's gonna be like this. Wait, no. Start. And then key space, game over. And when the green flag click forever, if key D pressed, switch backdrop to winner 3. And when the green flag click forever, if key A pressed, then switch backdrop to winner 4. And when the green flag click, wait 1 second, switch backdrop to darkness. This is the winner 3. This is the same game over. And this is the game over 2. And you need to make the not bad and game over. And this is the winner, the try again and game over. And this is only game over and you win. And the start game. Now let's go to the apple. When the sprite click, glide 1 second to X 203 negative 150, change points by 1. When the green flag click, set points to 0, hide forever, go to random position, wait 2 seconds, show, wait 5 seconds, show. When the green flag click forever, if touching fruit platter, then wait 0.1 seconds, hide. If points 20, then stop all. Wait, no. It should be 30. Okay, and let's go to the bowl. The bowl 1 didn't have any scripts, and the bowl 2 have. When the green flag click, go to bowl, forever, go to front. When the green flag click, if key P pressed, then play sound pop. And fruit platter, when the green flag click, set size to 1, forever go to bowl. If touching apple, then change size by 1. And
Let's take a look.
this is how to you find the point. You don't know how to find these points, right? It's in here. And if you didn't have it, you need to make a variable point. And you need to make it for all sprites. And we didn't need this right now. And now let's take a look.
Okay.
The apples are gone. It's gonna drop down.
Have a sound.
Some. Oh yeah. Oops. I need to see. Let me use this.
Okay.
Okay, this is the sound.
So,
And you will see the fruit platter because the apple have to touching the fruit platter first. Where is the apple? The apple are hiding. Oh, where does the apple go? If touching again, it's gonna be more bigger and bigger. Oh, apple. Then, if your points already until 30, you can stop all and change to the winner backdrop. And thank you guys for watching my video, the catch the fruit. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!